so that I can get to the whole right angles. So is there anything I can use to prove that another side is congruent for those triangles? CPCTC. Okay. For what? We know it's going to be CPCTC, but what do I have? I already know 1 and 2 are congruent to each other. I don't know anything about 3 and 4 because that was inside the blue triangle.
What about 2 and 5?
We can't even use anything over here. Only in here, and it's only the stuff that's touching the blue and black.
Why? 2 and 3.
We don't know anything about 2 and 3.
No. I don't know.
D. 1 and 2 are
B and A.
We've got this triangle right here, A, B, O. We know this angle is the same. If we're looking at this big blue triangle, we've got A, B, O. I know angle 1 and angle 1 are the same. This triangle is A, B, C. What letters do they have in common?
B.
A and
C.
So side AB is congruent to side
BA.
AD.
AD. Oh.
AB is congruent to AD by CPCTC. Okay? No?
No.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I get it now.
Let's go back one step. We proved that these blue triangles are congruent to each other, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we did that. I want to prove that these 2 red triangles are congruent to each other. In the given already gives me that 1 and 2 are the same. Okay? So what do I know that's the same for the blue and the red? You know, A is great, but A is the angle for the whole thing. That doesn't help us with those 2 separate triangles at all.
B. Okay. I get it.
Should I draw the 2 triangles separately?
Dude, draw them separately so I can see the.
Okay, hold on. We've got this shape. Okay? We have these 2 triangles.
Does that draw the scale?
No. Jerk. Okay. We've proven those 2 triangles are congruent.
Yeah.
I just want to know this part of those triangles. Okay?
Yeah.
I already know from the given that these are the same. Do you guys see what parts are touching the blue? Okay? This angle is touching, but do you guys see that this angle right here is not the same as this angle right here? So I can't use that, right? Do we see that this angle right here is not the same as this angle right there? Okay. Do we see that this side is not the same thing as the whole side? Okay. So I do see that this is the same, and I see that this side is the same. Better?
Yeah. Got you.
It's hard to see because I keep drawing everything on top of each other. Okay. So, I'm trying to now, all I've got is the red triangles. I'm trying to prove that they're congruent. What do we have so far? 1 and 2 from the given. Oh. Go away. Okay. I've got 1 and 2 from the given. I've got AD and AB from CPCTC. What else can I get from here?
BD.
BD is the whole length. I have 2 triangles. What? BO is congruent to OD? Do I know that? Right, but do you have a reason to prove it, Anicia? Linear pair proves an angle. That proves the angle's 180. That doesn't really help us. These are good, though. You got to work on this. Yes, yes.
Can 3 and 4?
You don't know that yet. Do you have a proof for 3 and 4 being congruent? Do we have a reason? No.
Because
Anybody got, yes. AO is congruent to AO. What do we use? Say it again. Reflexive.
I said that.
Good job. I didn't hear you. I apologize. Okay. Here's my question, ladies and gentlemen. Do I now know those triangles are congruent to each other? By what? Side? Side, angle, side.
Side, angle, side.
Good, Emily. Triangle ABO is congruent to triangle ADO by side, angle, side. Two pairs of triangles. Okay, now I've got to get to the end, the proof part. I've proved, I know it is doing so much, but you can do this. Okay, so I want to prove that these angles are congruent to each other. What do I use to prove angle 3 is congruent to angle 4? Correct. Which one? Do I know that two triangles are congruent to each other?
Yeah.
Yes, we just proved it using side, angle, side. How do I know two angles in those congruent triangles are congruent to each other?
Angle.
CPCTC.
Oh, shoot. I said angle.
There's no such thing as angle,
I know,
angle.
but I said it anyway.
Angle.
Yes, there is. Angle.
So CPCTC is just the third part that.
If corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, any parts of the triangle are congruent to the corresponding part of the other triangle, forever and ever. Okay, we're not done yet, though. Why are we not done yet? Who knows? It doesn't say what it says at the bottom.
So let's just put it there.
No, we can't.
We don't have to do no more. Like, other than that, right?
3 and 4 form a what? If you added them together, they form. Okay. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equals 180 by linear pair postulate. And there is one more thing.
I bet I could have got that one.
If 3 and 4 add to be 180 and 3 and 4 are congruent, then they both must be what? Angle 3 equals 90 and angle 4 equals 90. Who knows what that's by?
Definition of a right.
Yes, ma'am. And last one, definition of right. Angles.
Why are you so excited?
I'm trying to keep you excited because I know you're bored right now. I'm sick of doing this. Okay. If two angles form a linear pair and they're both 90 degrees, that means what? They're perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
AC is perpendicular to BD by what? Who knows? Definition of perpendicular. Close.
Perpendicular.
And that's it. Yay! Okay, your homework. You do have a lot of homework tonight, which means I'm not give you any writing, plus you do plenty of writing today while trying to grasp the understanding of this. You've got your review and your homework.
Oh, never mind. I have my cover.
That's it.
This is the review.
That is the review.
Oh, this is not my phone.
Okay? Remember, do your review too, front and back. I am going to go over the answers tomorrow.
How many people watching YouTube?